Alright, you're welcome to Capital Bull Markets. A quick one here. I want to show you what I said I'm going to show you. This is my balance so far. This is my withdrawal so far. So I want to show you how to submit social media follower using social media tags using your balance, which if you can see up here, that is my current balance. So that being said, uh, first of all, you choose the aim of what you want, and basically there are many aims right now. So I'm gonna choose one of these aim. Let me say Instagram followers. So you can see up here, this is how much you'll be, the starting price you will be paying $0.2 per follower you get, and here will be how many followers you want. Let me just say I want 100 followers for instance, and this is your bid. This aspect of your bid is the $0.2 that you are told is $0.2. That's the minimum. If you put anything less than that, it won't be accepted. Lastly, the link. So to type the link, I'm gonna put a full Instagram link to my profile. Instagram.com/fast socializer. You have to be sure your link, if your followers is delivered to a different link, it's your fault and not their fault. So Instagram.com/fast socializer. So that's that. Here will be the total budget. Now observe my balance up here, because when I make the payment, it will be deducted from my balance. Okay, so and there I've made it, and this is transaction successful, blah blah blah. So I don't really know if you observed the balance, because I don't know if it's changed. And let me do that again. I have enough funds, it won't really affect me. So one, two, go, and yeah, $20 have been deducted from my balance. Okay, so my followers will be delivered to this social media handle, and the next video I want to show you how to run withdrawals. Okay, if you are already earning like I am earning, how to run withdrawals. And I'll also show you how to run refer and earn $2 per person you refer on this platform. I'll show you everything. If I click here, you can see this is a brief description of what you're gonna gain on this platform, and you can pause the video and watch and read it out yourself. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. If you want to know how to join this video, go to capitalbullmarket.com, join this training. Capital Bull Market, and DM me. I'm going to add you to the training. It's a free class, Capital Bull Market. Okay, just search it out on Facebook, or you follow the link in the description of this video. If you're already in the training, this is the guide. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show you how to withdraw, basically how this works. You make money online completing simple tasks like watching videos. You can see this now. Basically what they said here is that I should like a YouTube video, and I'll be paid for it. That's just basically as simple as it is, and that's how it works. And on completing it, you will be paid a certain amount, which is written down there. So that's just as simple as it is. I'm going to show you everything to the end. So bye bye, stick around to the very end. You're going to gain from this, and you're going to be happy you joined.